Hey friends! In this video we're gonna be making acai bowl. Acai bowls are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Make sure to buy unsweetened packs in order to avoid added sugar. Since acai already loaded with the natural sweetness, there is no need to put extra sugar in your body. So let me show you how to make it. For this recipe I will use 2 frozen acai packs, 2 orange slices, half a cup of frozen berries, 1 fresh or frozen banana, a quarter cup of almond milk. Start by adding acai packs into your blender. Add all the remaining ingredients. Then just add a lid and turn it on. It doesn't require much time to blend. You will get creamy and thick consistency in a few seconds. Put the acai into a bowl and add your favorite berries and toppings like chia seeds, hemp seeds, shredded coconut, and homemade granola. The recipe for the crunchy homemade granola is already on my channel. I will link it in the description box so you can check it after. This is definitely one of my favorite acai bowl recipes. I love it for breakfast and as a wholesome meal during the day. As you can see, this recipe is easy to make, it tastes amazing and refreshing. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you next time, bye!